Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial on how to set and change your wallpaper or whatever to this. Step 1, go to my website, which you should be on, and go all the way down and select one of these wallpapers. Now, by the time I am currently recording this, there are 4 wallpapers. But there will be more in the future. Just you wait. Now, I already have 2 of them installed, but once you're done and you have downloaded them, I recommend putting them in a specialized folder. So I got my 2 wallpapers there. Once you're done with this, you can right click or go and select personalize, or you could go into your control panel, adjust your computer settings, go to Appearance and Personalizations, and change the desktop background, and select one of these. Now, I'm going to set it to a slideshow, but you can do whatever you want. Then, for me, if you're doing one, you can just change the picture every 30 seconds, whatever. And if you're using center, you can also change the background color. And there you go. It's perfect. I feel like it needs a bit more greener though. Now I don't want to change it to one that looks ugly, so I'm gonna kind of do this vertiger, this kind of blue. There we go, perfect. Now select Save Changes and boom. While I'm at it, I'm gonna change the theme, but that's the theme, whatever. And there you go, kaboom. That's your Windows 7 wallpaper. Very cool. Yes. Very cool indeed, yes. Anyways, thank you for checking out my tutorial, and I will see you in my next tutorial. But that's just the basics.